Hello friends, welcome to Knowledge Guru. This time I will teach you R and S alphabetical video, okay? So when we'll add this, total will become 30 capitals. Okay? So without any further, let's get started. Our first country is Republic of the Congo. Its capital is Brazzaville. Our second country is Romania. Its capital is Bucharest. Our third country is Russia. Its capital is Moscow. Our fourth country is Rwanda. Its capital is Kigali. Our fifth country is Saint Kitts and Nevis. Its capital is Besitre. Our sixth country is Saint Lucia. Its capital is Castries. Our seventh country is Saint Vincent and Grenadines. Its capital is Kingstown. Our eighth country is Samoa. Its capital is Apia. Our ninth country is San Marino. Its capital is San Marino. Our 10th country is Sao Tome and Principe. Its capital is Sao Tome. Our 11th country is Saudi Arabia. Its capital is Riyadh. Our 12th country is Senegal. Its capital is Dakar. Our 13th country is Serbia. Its capital is Belgrade. Our 14th country is Seychelles. Its capital is Victoria. Our 15th country is Sierra Leone. Its capital is Freetown. Our 16th country is Singapore. Its capital is Singapore City. Our 17th country is Slovakia. Its capital is Bratislava. Our 18th country is Slovenia. Its capital is Ljubljana. Our 19th country is Solomon Islands. Its capital is Honiara. Our 20th country is Somalia. Its capital is Mogadishu. Our 21st country is South Africa. Its capital is Cape Town. Our 22nd country is South Korea. Its capital is Seoul. Our 23rd country is South Sudan. Its capital is Juba. Our 24th country is Spain. Its capital is Madrid. Our 25th country is Sri Lanka. Its capital is Colombo. Our 26th country is Sudan. Its capital is Khartoum. Our 27th country is Suriname. Its capital is Paramaribo. Our 28th country is Sweden. Its capital is Stockholm. Our 29th country is Switzerland. Its capital is Bern. Our 30 country is Syria. Its capital is Damascus. So friends, if you liked my video, so please subscribe and like Knowledge Guru. Okay, I have made this 30 capitals for you and worked so hard. Okay, so we'll meet soon.